Hello students, this is Neetu Srivastav and once again welcome back in EVS video part 2 where you will see the lesson 8 Let's Be Safe lesson reading and explanation. But before that children, I hope you all are well and fine and completing your work on time. Before starting this chapter, lesson 8 reading and explanation, I want to tell you that in previous video in EVS lesson 8 video part 1 you have seen the summary of this chapter Let's Be Safe, and I hope you have understood this video. So let's proceed with the video part 2 in EVS chapter 8 Let's Be Safe. So open children page number 49 in EVS book. Once again I want to show you the EVS book. So on your mobile screen you are seeing the EVS book. So children, let's start. So children, take out your EVS book and page number 49, and according to the given topic I am going to tell you about Let's Be Safe. Means how you can save yourself everywhere, because if you are careless, if you are not giving attention and not following safety rules, then accidents may occur. You see in this picture that there is one girl and her name is Neelam. Neelam was late for school. She hurried to go out and catch her school bus. And see what happened? She went skidding down the stairs and fell. She broke her leg. Neelam had an accident. Accidents can occur anywhere, at home, on the road, in the school, anywhere. Accidents occur when we are in hurry. And definitely accidents may cause physical injury or even death also. So that's why we should always follow the safety rules. So children, in this lesson you will study about safety rules, and before starting it, first I am going to tell you the meaning of safety. When you are careful and when you are in the being state of safe condition, it is called safety. And whatever rules are framed for the safe for your safe, this is called safety rules. So children, let's start page number 50 where I am going to explain you the lesson number 8. Okay children, so page number 50 I am there, and here you see that rules that keep us safe on the road, at home and other places, all called safety rules. We must follow these rules. They can help us stay safe and prevent means which protect us from getting hurt. In this chapter we will learn about some safety rules. So regarding this, here you see the what is the first safety rules for the road, because it's a very important place, because every day if we go somewhere we used to the road, and so everybody should know what are the safety rules on the road. First, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Children, in this lesson you see this is the picture of zebra crossing. And do you know children why it is called zebra crossing? Because the crossing picture is look like the strips on the zebra's body. So this is called, because of this it is called zebra crossing. Now second point, children must hold the hands of elders while walking on the road or crossing road. We must walk on footpath. You see children, you always seeing that both the side on the road there is a proper place for the person, those who are walking on the road, and they using the this footpath place, and this is the place for the pedestrians. Now see next, never turn or play on the road. It's very important children. If you play on the roads and suppose any vehicles are coming and it is danger for you, it may be accident may occur. Okay, so be careful, don't play on the road. Next, Always wear the seat belt while traveling in car. Suppose you are traveling by car or any four wheeler, you must wear the seat belt, because seat belts keeps your body fixed at one place, and if suppose any suddenly you put the brake, that you will not harm yourself. Next, never put your hands or head out of a moving car or bus, because sometimes I see that maximum children are doing, when they're sitting in the bus, they're taking out their head, then their hand outside. It is not good. Suppose any vehicle is overtaking you, so it can be cause of the accident. So be careful. Next, always make a line to get on or off the school bus. Yes, you should be in a practice while you are going into the bus or where you are coming out from the bus. You should always stand in a queue. Never jump or out on the moving vehicle. Yes, it is very important. Don't jump in or out from the moving vehicle. So these are the rules for the road. Okay. Now next is coming down at home. Here you see, children, there are some certain rules for the home also. Let's see what are the rules. Always put your toys away after playing, or else when you or other may trip and fall. Yes, suppose children, while you playing with the toys, you always keep your toys at their right place at after the playing, so no person may trip and fall. Second, we may slip on vegetables and fruit peels, so we must keep these peels into the dustbin. Yes, because if suppose any person is coming and the fruit and vegetables peels are there, so definitely the person may be slip from it. Never play with knives, scissors, needles and other sharp and pointed things, because it is danger for you, it is harmful for you. Because suppose if you are playing with a knife or in scissors, your finger can cut you. It will be not good for you. You will get hurt from this pointed things. Now come to the next page, page number 51. Never put your fingers into electric sockets or touch switches. Yes, it is very important, because children, electric current is always moving in these items, and by chance if you are putting finger into the socket, current will pass into your body. So this is very dangerous. You may the accidents can occur that time. Stay away from the fire. Yes, of course, you always keep yourself away from the fire. Next, never run and up and down the stairs, because I am seeing every time that maximum children are just playing on those stairs. They are coming up, they are coming down, and if you are doing like this, you may be skidding down from the stairs and fell. Safety rules in other places. Wait for your turn at the rides in the park. Don't push each other. Suppose you are playing in the park, many children are just playing any game, so wait for your ride. Don't push each other. Never jump from walls or other high places, because you are in playing. Now let's see, just jump from the high place. And this, if you are doing like this, you get hurt also. Wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Never ride a bicycle on a busy road. Let an elder watch over you when you ride a bicycle, because you are very small children. Don't ride the bicycle alone. If you are just cycling, you just take a help of any elder person. So these are the rules, other rules which by which you can keep yourself safety. Now come to the next topic, first aid. First aid is a very important for the safety rules. First aid means when any person, first aid is the first help given to someone who gets hurt. So children, here you see Jay was playing football with his friends in the playground, and friend Rohan fell down and hurt his knees. The knees started bleeding. Jay called his mother. She came with a first aid box. She treated Rohan's wound. So children, you know what things are necessary for the first aid. First aid is the first help given to someone who gets hurt. So few items is contained in the first aid box, like cotton, band-aid, bandage, scissors, and many things ointment. These are used to treat wounds. So children, this way, if you are following all the safety rules, definitely you will away from an accident and you always not get hurt. So children, after explanation of whole the paragraph of this lesson, I hope that you have understood this lesson very well. So children, thanks for watching EVS lesson 8 video part 2, and I hope you have understood this video part properly, and if you have any confusion you can contact your teacher. And children, wait for my next video part 3, where I am going to discuss book work of same lesson. Till then children, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.